Hello everybody, this is City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit for January. And I'm going to be showing you the papers first, and then I'll show you all the other goodies that we got in this kit. We got a number of papers and embellishments from the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Weathered Garden collection, and I'm going to show you all of these beautiful papers. We got tons of papers this month. So this is a great background paper with some beautiful butterflies on the other side. It's going to be hard to choose which side to use. And then here are some more florals and green gingham. This paper is just so stunning. I absolutely love this paper. And then there's another great paper to use as a background paper. Look at this beautiful pattern. I love the color scheme on this paper collection. Here are some cut-aparts, and then a plaid on the back, some 3x4 cut-aparts, and a beautiful print on the back. And as usual with Simple Stories, they always have so many cut-aparts, different sizes, but then with a beautiful pattern paper on the back, so you could use either or a little of each. Here are the 4x6 inch cut-aparts. Some beautiful butterflies on the back. A gorgeous floral. Ooh, I really want to fussy cut that out. And then a newsprint on the back. Another floral with butterflies and a checkered print. And this is just gorgeous. In my opinion, another paper that could be fussy cut out, but maybe doesn't need to be fussy cut. It's so beautiful on its own. A stripe on the back. And then another great background paper with a beautiful floral on the other side. So we got a lot of papers from that Simple Stories collection. This paper is from the Vintage Artistry Essentials collection. And I just love the way the color scheme goes perfectly with the Simple Stories collection. So this is a great background paper with a nice print on the other side. Another beautiful background paper. I feel like 49 in Market just has the most gorgeous papers. You don't really have to do too much. They already have so much textured layering, beautiful papers to use for a background. And here's just another one. Just beautiful. And then just a simple wood grain on the other side. Another thing that we got in the kit is the Simple Vintage Weathered Garden sticker sheet. So there are lots of sentiments, tickets, lots of embellishments, lots of things you could use for titles, butterflies, hearts. This will be great to embellish the pages with. We also got this set of 49 and Market punch outs. So it's like getting a whole ephemera set. And you could see on this side, there are some frames and some strips, this beautiful lace strip, some butterflies, and some great layering pieces. On the other side are some tickets and, again, more layering pieces, butterflies, beautiful branches, and some banners over here. Lots of good stuff. We also got the Simple Stories chipboard stickers from the collection. And chipboard is one of my very favorite embellishments. I love the way there are lots of chipboard pieces that you could use as titles. There's lots of florals, lots of little sentiments, hearts. That's a great compliment to the collection. And then we also got these bits and pieces from the collection. And I'm sorry for the crinkling. I'm going to just show you all of the pieces, but I don't think you could see it too well. So I'm just going to briefly pull out these pieces and show you some of them. There's over 50 pieces here, so I won't be able to show you each one, but you could see that there are lots of images of butterflies. There are sentiments. I love putting these little sentiments on the page. Hearts, florals, titles, tickets. I mean, lots and lots of stuff to use on your pages. I'm just going to push that over to the side. Another thing that we received is this Prima Color Bloom 2 spray in Magic Stone, which is a great color for this collection. I absolutely love these Prima Color Bloom 2 sprays. The color is very intense, and I've gotten some in past kits, and I use them all the time. So I'm looking forward to using that. You just have to add some water, and you have a fantastic spray. And there's more. We also got this Bo Bunny Wildflowers stamp set, and I just love this. I'm really looking forward to using this. I love the branches and the flowers. This is a stamp that I feel like I can get a lot of use out of with this kit and in the future as well. And then finally, one of my favorite things is the 3 packages of flowers that we get in the limited edition kit each month. So we have all 49 in market flowers this month, and you could see there's a wide variety. There are some off-white ones, I love the neutrals, some green ones, dark green and light green, and you could see there are a lot of leaves mixed in. Here are some buds. I love the green spirals, and this just matches perfectly with that Simple Stories paper collection. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.